my good God, look at that.
Good afternoon.
Here's Steve in his natural habitat. Lily over there. Slow ride at Rev Bomb.
Steve,
Time to go.
just doing me stickers. This one happens to be the Dorset Riders. And it's going on here.
Oh, exclusive.
There it goes. Steve, it's on.
You'll go even faster now.
You will. Wrong bag.
Oh, here's the makeup bags.
Got a nice diddy one here.
Can you see it?
I've got a nice diddy one here. Look, this is going to be. It's a nice reflective one. So this
It's
one's
metallic.
This one's going to go on me proper paint job. Right, this is special. This is a special one. This one. Look at that.
There we go.
And they'll come into these fishing holes, and then they'll get packed up, and then put in boxes. As you can see at the moment, we're quite busy with parts going out. So this warehouse here is predominantly just picking tech bays and all parts stock upstairs as well.
Just to try and reassure our customers, really, if anything does go wrong, or God forbid they come off their bike, we have downstairs, upstairs, rows and rows of parts, just to make sure we'll keep everybody on the road.
And it's not just for our brand as well. So we cover multiple brands, because some of the stuff is interchangeable, especially the old scooter engines. Remember, like the Pulse Scout stuff, it was like everyone based off that same engine. It just went on and on. But yeah, we go offices down the end there, and we go all the way this way. We can walk this way.
On the clock, held together with zip ties, and he's still riding. He's got 82,000 kilometres on it now.
Do you know, there's a 180cc Scout out there somewhere.
Oh God.
We fitted the engine. I don't know where it's gone.
Yeah, even to the point where we've got, 3-year-old, 4-year-old colours there on the LXS. So we try and go back a minimum of 2 years onwards.
Parts galore.
Yes, as you can tell, it's kind of the panel section up through here.
Yeah.
And it's not over yet, sir.
We try and keep as many parts as possible. Every bike that we buy, we'll split it down and break it down to make sure that we've got pretty much every single nut and bolt. If we don't, we'll source it and find it. That's one thing we've had a reputation with CMPO as well, is making sure that we can find parts. So if you've got a bike that we don't list, you're more than welcome to message us and we'll try and find it. So we try and do as much as possible. But again, in this warehouse, we try and keep the bigger, bulkier items. Especially upstairs, we've got half the units covered in mezzanine floor. And then, tell you what, we'll go that way.
I was going to say, it goes back even further now.
We'll go back.
Keep growing.
I've got a funny feeling, is it like 70,000?
Rob, you
7,000 listings, isn't it?
Listings, yes, currently active parts is
25, yeah.
Jesus.
25,500. Yes.
I'm kind of imagining at some point you go into a contract, oh my God, I didn't know we had one of these.
Yeah, honestly, this warehouse here, in 2016, up until 2016, this is our bike stock area. So we could hold roughly around 1,500 bikes in this area here. And I think one summer when 2016 sales were growing, we had to put bikes in storage because they were coming and going so quickly and we just didn't have enough space. So from then on, we decided that, we're going to have to extend. But if you look from here, right to the very end, back boxes, that's how far the business goes.
Yeah, nice way of using it.
Just a little perk for the Lexmoto staff. The boss thought he'd get us a gym just to try and keep us fit and healthy, I suppose, so we can
running up and down
work
my
for him a couple of
stairs.
years longer.
Actually, a quick 5 minutes.
Jesus. We are about to take out some of these fantastic machines. Unlock it on the fob. Twister.
Oh yeah.
He's on green, yeah.
It's on now, and brake and ignition.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that, eh?
Oh, it's throbbing.
No, you're very welcome. Have a lovely time. And just come back here when you're ready.
We'll get Nige to lead.
Yeah, get nice to lead, yeah. No wheelies, no red ones.
Nice. Well, you're leading, Nige, so I don't know why you're going that way. Yeah, you know where we're going. It's no good. No, you got to lead. Let's go, go, go! There's old Joe. I don't, you see. Ha ha! So I am on the Lexmoto ADV scooter. She's a little sweetie. So this has got external temperature gauge. Yeah, it's a nice clear dash. Little windscreen. Adjustable. Twist and go action. Very nice. I'll tell you what, this is smooth. Bimbling along. Perfect. Put your shopping in the middle. Now I have to look to see what this will do to the gallon. Probably 1,000 miles. I mean, we're cruising along at 50 plus, which is fine for most roads. Switch gear's good. It is, yeah. So yeah, backlit switch gear. Exactly. Handles the bumps all right. Yeah, it's working hard, Nige. It's working hard. Is it? Oh, they're easily adjustable. I'll tell you what, they're better than my mirrors. See, I'm used to twisting it and feeling it knock down a gear. But these are on CVTs, aren't they? We should have slow vehicle put on the back of yours. She needs more power. Yeah, I'll slow at the top of the hill. We'll let Nige come back through. There's Rev Bomb. Dodge 29. Time to go, our camera vehicle. Slow rider. See if we can hit 50 on 56. 57, 58. Oh, now she's finding her legs. 60. You wait. Well, this handles very nicely, actually. Oh, wait. It is. We've got to catch Nige up now. All we need is a slight incline.
They've all been run in so we can push them to 60.
Well,
Nice.
apart from Nige's, downhill, yeah. Oh, here we go. Off-road. We're off-road. I'll tell you what, we've just gone over that horrible bump and that was alright. We are all very impressed.
Everything's grinning. Gotta make it good. Are you grinning?
Yes.
Good.
Let's have a look at her. Little beauty. So I've swapped machines. I'm now on Nige's old scooter. Look at this electronic dash in Technicolor. That's fancy, that is. Backlit switchgear. I know, and they're quality switchgear as well, which are they? Yeah, I wonder if this one's got a bit more oomph than the XTV. The brakes feel better on this than the XTV. They got a much better bite to them, yeah. But then, I think the XTV is newer. It's probably got less miles on it. Well, yeah, it's nice to be on something lightweight that's just nice to be able to move about. But no, I mean, if I was looking for a just bimble round town scooter, one of these would be ideal. Absolutely ideal.